Some space instantly feel calming, balanced, or even energizing, while others just don't, right? The secret lies in nature. Nature has been designing for millions of years, and today I'm going to show you the hidden design rules from the natural world that you can use to transform your home too. Rule 1. Fractals, the math of beauty. In nature, patterns repeat at every scale: the vein of a leaf, the branches of a tree, even the shape of rivers. These repeating patterns are called fractals. Studies show that fractals can reduce stress by up to 60% because our brains are wired to process them effortlessly. Humans naturally find these patterns comforting. They remind us of landscapes, trees, clouds, and things that feel familiar and safe. So that's why, when we see a repeating leaf design on wallpaper or an intricate rock pattern, something inside us relaxes. In design, you can bring fractals through wallpaper, textiles, or artwork inspired by nature. These subtle repeating patterns create harmony because your brain feels at home within them. Rule 2. Natural light cycles. In nature, light changes throughout the day, waking us in the morning and calming us at night. Research shows that exposure to natural light improves sleep, mood, and productivity. Humans are deeply affected by light, which also shapes our emotions without us even realizing it. Morning light makes us alert and hopeful. Golden evening light slows our thoughts and makes us feel peaceful. At home, use shade curtains, mirrors, and warm-tone lamps to mimic the natural rhythm of daylight. Light isn't just decoration, it's your body's rhythm keeper, which also helps you feel aligned and balanced. Rule 3. Organic shapes over sharp lines. Nothing in nature is perfectly straight, not river, not mountains, not even leaves. Our brains associate curves and organic shapes with safety and calmness. Humans instinctively feel more at ease around soft, rounded edges because these don't signal danger or threat. Sharp lines remind us of barriers and rigidity, while curves invite movement and comfort. Try adding rounded furniture, arched doorways, or circular rugs to your space. Curves soften a room just like nature softens the world around us. Rule 4. Materials that breathe. Nature is alive, and when we bring natural materials in our homes, they bring life with them. Wood, stone, clay, linen, they all have texture, warmth, and even scent. Humans connect emotionally with materials that feel real and imperfect. We are drawn to the grain of wood, the coldness of stone, the rough texture of linen, because they remind us that we are part of something living. Studies in biophilic design shows that wood can lower heart rate and blood pressure. So, add a wooden table, a stone backsplash, or woven baskets. These materials ground you and connect your space back to the earth. Rule 5. Flow and balance. In nature, everything has flow. Rivers find their path, trees grow toward the sun, and energy is never wasted. When a space feels blocked or cluttered, your mind feels the same way, stuck. Humans are sensitive to spatial balance. When energy and movement flow naturally through a room, it gives us a quiet sense of ease. We breathe better, think clearer, and move with more intention. Environmental psychology tells us that open pathways that balance layouts make us feel relaxed and energized. So, look around. Can you move freely? Does light flow naturally? If not, your space might be blocking energy, the same way a dam blocks a river. The secret is simple. Great design isn't invented, it's borrowed from nature. So when you design with fractals, light, curves, natural materials, and flow, your home starts to feel alive, balanced, warm, and deeply human. Try adding just one of these rules to your space this week. You will feel the difference. So, which design secret from nature speaks to you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more design ideas that go way beyond the decor. Bye for now.